My third trade was on Ugaz, and I foolishly bought the stock. There was a chat room mention. I didn't even know like anything about. I know I trade the ticker, not the company, hence my name or blog name Hunting Tickers. But I really should not have bought this. This was just, I believe this was like a fund or some gold play, but I bought this on a chat room mention that was gapping up pre-market. I didn't do any research. I didn't even create a plan. I actually created a plan after entering the trade, which is I don't recommend. I bought into a top, watched the trade sideways for 10 minutes or so, finally break a few cents above the purchase price, and then have it drop back down and double top at 268 before falling through my stop. This is when I started my trade journal because it was 3 losses in a row. And, it was basically a commissions churn again. And I wasn't so mad that I lost. I was just kind of frustrated that I was doing these foolish things. And I was like, it's got to stop. I mean, I'm only 3 trades in. I've burned $60 on these stupid, foolishly chasing plays. So in my trading notebook, as you can see, I got way more organized. And I made this trade on December 29th. So let's blow this up a little bit here. Get this out of here. So as you can see, I took it. This was like an ETN. It was a 3 times leverage fund. It was linked to it. It was just stupid. I don't even really understand it all. I'm still learning. But regardless, I know this is like trading dust or nugget. It's leveraged 3 times, and as you can see, it's a pretty choppy stock. So this is when I started it, and as you can see, I basically copy and paste these notes that I type in my trading notebook into properly. So as you can see, I bought it right here at the top at 265, and it's almost a double top right here, very small. And this is when it broke through up to 268, topped out, and comes back down. And I had a stop set right here at this consolidation along 260, and I lost one, and it just stopped me out, which was fine. It didn't really do much the rest of the day. Up and down 10 cents and closed down at the end of the day. Probably something related to natural gas. I'm not 100% sure. I should not have been trading it for many reasons. 1, I didn't create a plan. I created a plan after the trade. 2, I chased another alert because I'm an idiot. And 3, I didn't even know what the hell I was doing. So, all things considered, again, another commissions churned and another lesson chalked up in the lessons book. So I just wanted to go back and pull up Ugaz on a more long-term look, and as you can see, it's just, when did I trade it? The 29th, so I could probably get this on a better chart. 5-minute. They can get the 29th on here. Yeah, so I traded it this day right here. Let's go back and look, because I didn't create a plan, so I'm curious now as to see if there was some resistance. Yeah, it's just getting obliterated. Long-term downtrending chart, not very volatile. It spikes way back here. But as it's linked to the S&P, as you can see up here. So that's S&P is the beta of the U.S. stock market. It's a heavily traded. It's basically the index, and it's linked to that. And as you can see, the volume is insane. 30 million shares. Trades on average, I guess we roughly call an average of 25 million shares, and that's a very liquid stock. The level 2 when this was happening was just constant. It was a seesaw back and forth, and it wasn't going anywhere. And as we see from this, I mean, the candles aren't really volatile. They're very small, especially right here. I mean, a range of maybe 20 cents either direction at best. Let's go back even further to see if 260 is somehow significant. Wow, it used to be 300. I guess that's what I get for not for making a plan before trading. But it's never really gone up. And over the past year, it's just straight down. But let's see here, 260-ish is, I guess right here, early December 260 was a little bit of support or resistance depending which way the stock was going. This was almost maybe a mini cup and handle, but didn't really break out above anything. So anyway, lesson learned. Quit chasing alerts. Don't trade things you don't know, and don't create a plan after you've gotten into a trade.